Hello and welcome to another exciting session with me. I am Hitesh Hariramani and I am a serial 99.9 percentiler and 99 plus percentiler in CAT Quant. What have I got for you in this session is I am going to explain to you how to use previous year CAT papers, previous year exam papers to crack CAT. Not only CAT, all exams. XAT, IIFT, whatever exams you are considering, previous year questions are there to help us in many ways, which I'm going to explain it to you. Let's see. If you are looking for discounts, you can use my code HITCATLIVE. Who am I? I'm Hitesh Hariramani. I've been training students for last 13 years. I started training students in 2008. I have been training faculties, or rather I used to train faculties till the end of 2016. I've trained faculties of Nagpur, Pune, Ahmedabad and Nasik for one of the national players. Methods I share are the methods that have helped me in scoring 99.97, 99.96, 99.9. I have scored twice. 99.5 I have scored thrice in CAT Quant. Not only quant, I have been able to score 99 percentile and above many times in CAT. Overall, I'm talking about 99.59 was my percentile in overall CAT 2010 that got me IIM Calcutta Lucknow calls and all other IIM calls as well. 99.26 was my percentile. 99.42 has been my percentile in CAT overall also. So if you want me to guide you personally to help you, you can use my code for plus subscriptions, for iconic subscriptions for 10% discount. And you can also join the Telegram group that I am personally mentoring. That is t.me/Hari_Hitesh. You can reach out to me here. You can get access to all the methods, content, tips and tricks that I'm sharing in the group. Yeah, so there's an animation going on here as well. Moving on. Plus batches, beta. Plus batches, we are launching for you plus batches every alternate day. Every alternate day. What is the idea? You have to pay a subscription fee for a month, 3 months, 6 months, year or 2 years. If you are a serious candidate about cracking these exams, so we suggest go for either 12 months, or if you are in a year prior to final year or you feel you are not that strong in LRDI, quant or verbal, go for 24-month subscription. Once you pay a subscription fee, you can watch lectures any number of times. You can watch a lecture in the legend batch or the starter batch or the absolute weekday morning batch or weekday evening batch, or I'm also running a weekday late night batch from 11:30 p.m. to 1 o'clock a.m. रात के 11:30 से रात के 1 बजे तक I am conducting quant sessions. अच्छा response है. You can also visit my profile unacademy.com@hari.h for some free sessions. I have uploaded about 65 hours plus of free sessions. Plus में बेटा you get chapter wise learning, you get PDFs created by educators chapter wise, session wise. At the end of every 3 sessions, the 4th one is a doubt solving. इतना सा बेटा ऑफलाइन में नहीं मिल पाता. Plus in offline, if you tell them मेरे को batch change करना है, there is no other option. इसी में आना तो नहीं तो मत आओ. Why do you want to change a batch? 1000 रुपए का फी दो, 5000 रुपए का फी दो. Nonsense. No such problem is there on Unacademy. You can use my code HITCATLIVE for 10% discount on all courses, plus or otherwise. Iconic CAT, but this is a separate product. That was plus. In this, you are going to get mentored by IIM ABC pass outs, IIM ABC graduates, the Holy Trinity, the topmost colleges in India for MBA. People who have done it, they are going to share their tips and tricks with you. They are going to personally mentor you. They are going to give you test reports analysis. They are going to give you other management entrance test related preparation help. Maybe in form of content, maybe in form of quizzes, maybe in form of just guidance. All of this is added on the plus. The one I just told you about plus, all these benefits are included in Iconic along with plus. So you are bound to get discounts here. Again, the discount code you can apply is HitCat live. Usually what happens is you join a local player, regional player or offline coaching class. One person has probably done some MBA from a regional college and so on and so forth. Here you are getting to learn from educators like Arun Sharma, Bharat Gupta, Shalini, Ananda Kulkarni. On the top of that, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta alumni are going to train you. They are going to help you out. Benefits of an academy, benefits of learning online. These students studied with us live and they have done beautifully well. All of them have done beautifully well. It could be you. Join an academy now and start preparing seriously. What does it take to prepare seriously? First, the right educator. Somebody who has appeared the exam, somebody who has cracked the exam many times, who is sharing with you exam related methods, updated methods. Second, because solving enough number of questions is very critical. Solving enough number of mocks is also very important. How many mocks are important? Yesterday I was discussing with Bhaskar. Bhaskar simply asked me, sir, how many mocks should I solve and when should I start solving mocks? But once you are sure that you are done with slightly above 50% of your syllabus, you can start appearing mocks. Mocks are guiding tools, mocks are compass. Imagine you leave one of the countries, let us say Italy, for India, and you are carrying a wrong compass. Where do you end up? You'll end up in USA and you call them Indians. Yeah, I'm joking about navigation. Mocks are your compass. They'll guide you. Kahan kam hai, kahan zyada hai, where do you need to turn your preparation. And at the end, beta, we all have equal amount of time. How do you devote your time determines how far you land in your preparation in your score. These four parameters are absolutely critical. With high demand, beta, the price hike is soon to follow. This could happen any day now. Look at this. There's a price hike of 50% and more. There's a price hike of 33.33% and more. See, on the base of 30, if I add 10 and if I make it 40, that is 1 by 3 more beta. That is 33.33% more. This is the benefit of plus. We teach you all this theory. You can verbally answer these things. See, there's an increase of roughly 12 on 21, 12 on 21, 3 cancelled, 4 on 7. But a 1 on 7 is 14.28. 4 upon 7 is roughly 57% ka price hike is about to follow. This is the right time to enroll. This is the right time to make the payment and start your preparation journey with us. You are looking for discounts? Hurry. Hurry.h is one of my codes. Another code that I can use right now, you can use right now is HitCat. HitCat live. I can share with you YouTube code also, but HitCat live is the one we are using on all platforms right now. नहीं sir, 10% से मेरा क्या होगा? I want more discounts. Yes, for you also we have a challenge. Unacademy Combat is a challenge that you will have to face. It's a weekly scholarship test. अच्छा perform करो, पूरी fee आपकी scholarship में निकल जाएगी बेटा. Scholarships up to 55 lakhs are up for grabs. Let me confirm the audio. Yesterday there was a complaint about audio. So it's fine. Audio is fine. Audio is fine. So it is going to be conducted on every Sunday. This Sunday, that is 28th of March on 12 p.m. You can appear the Unacademy Combat and get the full fee discount. You have to do very well against thousands of aspirants appearing here. This is the largest CAT scholarship test. You're getting questions or mock questions created by best of our educators, and you're getting video solutions as well. You get a live leadership board. I've never seen this happen anywhere in the industry before this, and I've worked with a lot of players. I'll show you. You'll have to use codes here. HitCat live. You can use a discount code as a unlock code as well. You guys, you can communicate directly with me through comment section. So CAT T20 series. T20. What does T20? How does T20 differ from other matches? T20 is fast. T20 is explosive. T20 is entertaining. So every day you can appear 30-minute test with 10 questions in it. It is starting from today. It is going on right now 7 o'clock to 7:30 p.m. Still I'm making an announcement about it. and you get the detailed solution for all this on Sundays. And you can win prize up to 18,000 by appearing and cracking these T20 test series. Good luck to you. Now, let us come to the elephant in the room. How can you use the previous year mocks in cracking the exam? Very simply, first of all, in Telegram, you search this Hari_Hitesh and join that Telegram group. I am the mentor there. There are other educators as well, but I am the primary mentor there. Why, sir? Beta, when you are preparing for CAT, let me show you one kind of question that everyone is solving right now. 7777 return 99 times. When divided by 271, what is the remainder? Or 123, 123, 123 return 1001 times. When divided by 143, how much is the remainder? Now, what you should do while preparing for CAT is follow one source for theory, follow two sources for problem solving. Let us say you pick topic of numbers. आप Unacademy में हमारे साथ लाइव हैं, आपने hitcat.yt कोड यूज किया for the maximum discount available at that time. You studied numbers with us, theory you have done, questions you have done with us live, then you want to solve problems. Now you are picking whatever book or coaching material you have to solve problems, and you come across such questions. Here what we suggest you, once you have done theory, once you have solved, let us say 100, 120 questions of a particular chapter, go to this group. There you will find 23 years CAT papers chapter wise. Numbers is going to be a chapter there. Do you see such questions there? If no, then beta, why are you solving this? मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, लोग अपनी ईगो सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं बेटा. Such questions have never appeared in any examination other than mocks. People are solving these questions satisfying their egos. A person is appearing CAT second time, third time, कुछ नया चाहिए, ये बना रहे हैं. क्यों बना रहे बेटा? नहीं आता. In the time you devote to these questions, you can solve 3 better questions, 3 CAT relevant questions. So previous year CAT papers are your compass. They tell you where is the true north, where is the south, where is the east, and where is the west, where you are headed. After completing every chapter, after completing theory, after solving 100, 120 questions, you should go back to the book I am referring to, chapter wise previous year papers, and see कैसे questions आते हैं, and then fine tune your preparation. Not to get distracted by all these things. I was recently solving questions shared by somebody, XYZ fellow. It had 3 equations in profit loss discount. जैसे पूछते हैं कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? So बेटा, to guide you in the right direction, you have to keep referring to previous year papers so you can rectify the direction of your preparation, not to get distracted by these. See, if I can score 99.97, if I can score 99.96, if I can score 99.9 and 99.9. I have been appearing CAT since 2007 till 2020. I have appeared all the sessions. The exceptions are I did not take CAT 2011, 12 and 13. Rest all the sessions of CAT I have appeared. So when I say beta ऐसा question नहीं आता है, that is with experience. You can gain that kind of experience by solving these papers, previous year papers. नहीं आते बेटा इस तरह के सवाल, कभी नहीं आए हैं. One more kind of question that people keep on solving is 22 to the power 23 to the power 24 divided by 17. What is the remainder? A to the power B to the power C. Find the last 2 digits of this. Or 120 factorial 0 0 0 0. What are the 2 non-zero digits? Such questions have never appeared in any exam. So how do you know this? One thing. This kind of question appeared in NMAT about 2 years back. Only one instance. How do I know? People keep on sharing such questions, and when I tell them ऐसे नहीं आता और एग्जाम में आ गए, they make sure they tell me. सर आपने कहा था नहीं आता, बेटा आता है, छोड़ देना, कुछ और बनाना. पावर के ऊपर पावर. See, it is not difficult problem. I can show you the approach to this. In plus, when you join plus with hari.h or hitcat.yt, I'll show you how this is done. I have conducted numbers over 13 lectures, which is way too much. उसमें ये कवर किया बेटा. बट अगेन आई विल गिव यू अ वार्निंग, डोंट सॉल्व दिस. कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं? 2 to the power 125 divided by 17, find the remainder. 3 to the power 327 divided by something xy, find the remainder, and so on and so forth. That's it, done. So previous year papers are your compass here. And the biggest thing about previous year papers, this also somebody told me as a statement, sir पिछले क्वेश्चन थोड़ी रिपीट करेंगे एग्जाम में. CAT is a vast exam, is a logical exam, पिछले क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. But I can show you identical questions with not one word changed repeating in CAT. Since 2009, all the people, even if you go to appear CAT this year, you will be signing something called as non-disclosure agreement. Why did CAT make us sign this? एक तो पेपर लीक नहीं होना चाहिए, दूसरा questions do repeat. Lots and lots of questions repeat in CAT beta, or else a question with different values, same language, same calculations do repeat. I have got some examples for you to share. Look at these. The divisibility rule, the divisibility of what is there on the screen, 5 to the power 6 minus 1, which of these will be perfect dividing it? And n is an odd number more than this. The rule for both is same. I will not be solving it for you. If you want, I'll solve it for you. These are individually half a minute question each. If you want, I'll solve these for you. Otherwise, they have the same approach, they have the same way of answering. It requires some expansion, it requires some replacement of values. So beta, questions will repeat. This is a question from 1995. This is a question from 1996. Questions do repeat between CAT exams. How to fine tune? I have told you guys, complete theory from any source. I'll prefer you join me on Unacademy with my code hitcatyt or hari.h or hitcat live. Study theory from us. बहुत डिटेल में theory कराएंगे आपको. Then we share with you quizzes, we share with you PDFs, उनको solve करो. Then go and solve previous year papers, previous year mocks. तो बेटा मैंने आपको ग्रुप दिया टेलीग्राम का, t.me/hari_hitesh, is the telegram group I'm mentoring. In this you will find old mocks also. Old mocks dating as back as 2016 up to 2019. और हर एक player के बेटा different players in the industry. I have not shared this. Students have shared these. Google Drive के form में. Solve बेटा, solve and solve. More questions you should solve. The more you solve, you gain speed, you gain accuracy, you gain points. So let me show you some more questions. See, what is the divisibility of this? What is the divisibility of this? All these 4 questions are going to be almost identical in approach. Almost identical. This one, if you want a hint, look at this. If I divide everything by n, this is what is written here. Look at this. This is a question, 16n square plus 7n plus 6 divided by n. If I divide here, that is 16n plus 7 . This n is gone, plus 6 upon n. What does it say? How many integer values can n take if this also is an integer? So beta, n needs to divide 6. 6, the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 6. So how many values can n take? N can be any one of these values. There are 8 values. This kind of question was in front of my eyes again in 2014 ka CAT in this form. n plus 7 whole square divided by whole square divided by n minus 4 is equal to y. N is an integer. So how many values can n take if y is also integer? So beta, replicas of these questions have been appearing in CAT again and again. I am saying similar question. I cannot tell you the exact question. I am bound by non-disclosure agreement. Now this question, if you look at this question that I am showing you on the screen, is identical to this one. Power 6 ka expansion is required in both. Not exactly power 6. A plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, and a cube minus b cube expansion are required in both these questions. They are identical. How far are they? This was a question from 1995. This was a question from 2002. With a gap of 6 years, questions are repeating. I'll show you more. Look at these. Do you see 2004, 2 marks? This is called differential marking. Some questions are of higher marks, some are of lower marks. Do you see 2004, 2005 question? Addition of cubes divided by something, addition of cubes divided by something else. Beta, questions do repeat, or at least questions based on same concept do repeat. Let me share the concept with you. A cube plus B cube, the expansion of this is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So can I say reverse? Can I say reverse? The addition of two cubes is divided by addition of the numbers. There will be some integer on the right side. So beta, this is called the divisibility rule. ये जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ बेटा, this is called the divisibility rule of cubes. ये अगर आपको पता होता, so look at this. Not only cubes, for all odd powers. अगर ये power odd भी होंगे तो भी it will work. This is 23 plus 23 to the power 23. This is x, this is y. This is odd, this is odd. So it is definitely language. It is definitely divisible by 15 plus 23. How much is 15 plus 23, guys? How much is 15 plus 23? 15 plus 23 is 38. So something that is divisible by 38, अगर आप इसको divide करने चले जाएंगे बेटा from 19, तो remainder तो 0 ही आ जाएगा ना. It is perfectly divisible. If something is divisible by 8, if something is divisible by 8, मतलब it is multiple of 8. तो अगर आप इसको 4 से divide करेंगे तो divide ही हो जाएगा ना बेटा, remainder थोड़ी आएगा, remainder will be 0. This numerator is a multiple of 38. So if you ask me, sir, remainder कितना आएगा 19 से, तो remainder 0 आएगा. 19 is a factor. ऐसे बनाते बेटा. Now here look at this. How beautifully the language has been framed. This and this are multiples of 35. These two are multiples of 35. So when divided by 70, what will be the remainder is the question. When divided by 70, what is the remainder? I wanted to learn this. Even number plus odd number plus even number plus odd number. 2 even and 2 odds will give you even. Listen to the language. The numerator is an even multiple of 35. What is the even multiple of 35? 70. That means the numerator is a multiple of 70, remainder is 0. All of this will be taught to you. All of you will be trained on all of this in detail on Plus. These sessions are not only here to guide you. These sessions are also to tell you the benefit of joining Plus with us. Educators like me who have been training aspirants for 13 years, who have been training faculties for last 5 years, and the faculties I used to train were not freshers. Faculties with 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience I have trained. They're also doing fine. Nagpur, Pune, Ahmedabad, Nasik. For one particular player, the faculties I have trained are leading these cities. But आप भी Unacademy Plus पे, you'll also be trained with the best methods available. These questions can be answered verbally. But look at this. This is a question from 2003. C means the exam that was cancelled. G is equal to maximum of something. Find the smallest possible value of G. ये बेटा 2018 का पेपर I am sharing with you. बीच में भी it would have repeated many times. I remembered some instances. I got these question papers. Fx is equal to minima of some equation where x is a positive real number. Find the maximum value of fx. Do you see? You want smallest value, you want maximum value. Max लिखा है बाहर, minima लिखा है, then under there are some equations. So these are replicas of each other. These are mirror images of each other, beta. Questions do repeat. This is a question paper 2018. So if you join the Telegram group I have shared with you, t.me/hari_hitesh, you will get access to all these previous year question papers. In fact, I'll share with you chapter wise solution for these in video format with YouTube links. Join the Telegram group. We'll solve more questions. Dekho beta. This is a question again from 2017. This is a question from 2007. Do you see this? This is the equation, beta. One upon m plus 4 upon n is equal to 1 by 12. You want n to be an odd integer less than 60. You want to find how many integer solutions are there. 1 upon e plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 9. A and b are positive integers, a is less than equal to b. Do you see some similarity going on here? So these are both based upon identical concept. These require identical calculations, and you will be taught all of this. You will be shown all of this, how to apply one concept in multiple places, relating concepts and getting answer out of this. These are called integral solution based questions. I'll give you the crux of this. Look at this. I'll solve this for you in fact. And you can apply that directly to the other question. How does that come into being beta? Then you have to join me on plus. So this will turn into 9a plus 9b is equal to ab. Listen to this. This coefficient of b is subtracted from a. This coefficient of a is subtracted from b. And the right side is a product of coefficients. इसको solve करना बेटा for integral pairs. Your job is done. Here if I rearrange, listen to this. Here if I rearrange, I will have 12m 12n plus 48m is equal to mn. Do you see this equation and this looks the same? N minus 48 into m minus 12 is equal to 48 into 12. Your job is done. You need to find the integer pairs of this and integer pairs of this. ये कैसे आया? That is the crux. That you will get from me with hitcat.yt, hari.h codes for 10% discounts on the plus. You can go to Unacademy, you can go to my profile and watch 65 hours of lectures, guys. There is enough free learning going on, enough free learning. But that is not well structured. You're not getting quizzes at the end. You're not getting revisions at the end. You're not getting doubt solving at the end. All of that comes with plus. So this is my profile, beta, unacademy.com/@hari.h. Here you will find more than 65 hours of free sessions. Those are on demand, beta. Those are on demand. Students keep on asking. Jैसे students are asking for LRDIK sessions. So right now I am conducting LR booster series. I have conducted 4 lectures. I am going to conduct 8 more. 8 more sessions I am going to conduct with here and examples. So if you are on Unacademy, follow me here. You can access all this content for free. Again, look at this. Look at this. I don't want to freak you out. Look at this. This is a question from 2008. This is a question from 2017. The number of common terms between 15, 19, 23, 45 and so on, so on. 14, 19 and so on, so on. The number of common terms between the two sequences and so on, so on, so on. But the questions are identical. So questions do repeat. Anybody who tells you questions repeat nahi hote CAT mein is fooling you. Repetition. In fact, the answer to both questions is same. So if the answer to both questions is same, the answer is either 19 or 20. Look at this. So I've given you hints. You get these answers and get back to me here on tees.me. Or if you're already on Telegram, you can simply search hari_Hitesh and you can reach me here. My Telegram group is two-way. You can also post things. I can also post things. Chalo, I'm closing it down from my side. So if you like the session, beta, like, subscribe, join, and keep sharing problems. I hope to see you guys with me on plus, because the way we teach on plus beta is unparalleled in the market. See, if you're learning from me, you're not just learning from a faculty, you're learning from somebody who trains faculty in the industry. You're learning from somebody who has been teaching for last 13 years. If you have any doubts, you can go to my profile, watch a couple of sessions, and then take a call on this. Then decide which batch to take, which course to take. So, very good evening to everyone. I am closing down session from my side. Guys, keep solving more and more questions. जितने questions आप बनाएंगे, उतने आपके अच्छे marks आएंगे, उतने आपके अच्छे percentiles आएंगे. Have a good day.